on Friday we got a bit of a breakaway gap, and breakaway gaps often uh, are very strong signals for long or short, as the case may apply. Now, my sense is that uh, you know if there was great selling at 12,300, you would not have come back from you know 12,000, so this time around, I'm expecting that Nifty should cross 12,300. Maybe it can go till about 12, 370, 380 for starters. Similarly, Bank Nifty, we could do 32,800 again. The correction was way milder than what people were expecting. And broadly, I like to do these sentiment checks, which are now easy to do. Nobody really participated on Friday, and people are still expecting downsides. So that way, even Friday's rally could not enthuse people to get long. So my sense would be, for this overall week, you would be much better off holding long positions. And as people come back to the markets all over the world, you could have a bit of a rally that's left. See, as far as I am concerned, L&T Finance is a buy with a stop of 116, target of 125. PVR, everybody thought it's closing down because of Netflix and Amazon Prime. Apparently, that's not the case, and it's making fresh highs. One of the mid caps that you have to be in a slow economy, because people do watch movies if nothing else. So that's a buy with a stop of 1860, target of 1920. Corporate banks have again assumed leadership. So ICICI Bank, despite all the rally and despite everything, can still be bought with a stop at about 540. Look for targets of about 575. SBI is a buy with a stop of 332, target of 348. And HPCL is a buy with a stop of 260, target of 277.
I wouldn't know whether it's looking like that, but I think we will go higher than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So perhaps that can be crossed. The trend is up. What we are doing now is that we are, after big rallies, we are having a pause. That's very natural. But it's a very interesting thought, getting that number on the screen at some point of time. Maybe we'll do it next year. I don't think we'll do it in 2019. But the trade is, if you have long positions, and you should be having them, stay with them. Don't get out for these small 20, 30, 40 point corrections. In case you don't have a long position, or if you want to add, then you can be patient, because I think today we will see choppy markets and we will see dips. So those dips are ideal opportunities to add on to your Nifty trade. Stay on the long side. Don't make the mistake of saying, oh, this is a top, this is not. We don't know, and we don't want to know. So just be long and let the market take you out, and maybe take you to that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The coldest day in 120 years, not the coldest November, the cold December. It's the coldest ever day. But it's very pleasant. We should have this sometime. See, Biocon is a buying opportunity. Biocon has completed its correction. It's over, and now it's building a base, willing to break out. So I think it's a positional trade as well as an intraday trade, which we talk about. I am upbeat on all the 4, 5 IT stocks, Infosys, TCS. Today I have HCL, everything. Today I have Tech Mahindra as a buying opportunity. All these 5 stocks are building a very impressive bases, and I think they are going to outperform and perhaps be a major participant in any Nifty rally. So Tech Mahindra is a buy. BPCL is a buy. It's in an uptrend. While it gets affected by crude, there is a sense that a small uptrend, a small breakout is imminent on the upside. So 3 buying opportunities, and NTPC, look at that chart, done nothing, and so much wealth destruction there. It's an intraday short.